and we think to ourselves, oh my God, wow, great, I'm healed, extraordinary, wonderful. So I'm going to go out and find my beloved. And we do. And then we get surprise of all surprises. We find that in this new wonderful relating crucible, a whole bunch of stuff comes up that all of a sudden there's a whole host of triggers, wounds, ideas, beliefs, outdated philosophies that cause bizarre contractions and triggering and patterns that are bewildering and sometimes embarrassing. And you go, what the hell? I've done all this work on myself. I'm so much better. How is it that in this relating container, I've devolved back into certain behavioral traits that I thought I'd completely left behind? And the answer is relational trauma is its own specific form of trauma. And it is not entirely, but best and completely healed relationally. So a spiritual path that one undertakes within the framework of a container, within the framework of a conscious, intentional, sacred relationship, is its own form of incredible growth. It's its own form of transcendence. And that's what it means to be on a spiritual path together. You still maintain your spiritual path individually, but then you're also on the incredible path that the third entity, the third living entity between you, the joint we, the container, takes you on. And it is extraordinary. It is a catalyst par excellence. It takes you to depths within yourself and heights within your consciousness that could almost certainly, but depending on your philosophy, but certainly in my experience, I could have never have reached alone.